Gaming session at risk because of the Deep Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll show you the engineering grade steps to fix your installation. Before we walk through the Deep Library troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This is the Deep Library. This library is a core component of deep learning and neural network post-processing filters. It is primarily used to handle real-time image upscaling and noise reduction. It facilitates the handshake between the game engine and the GPU's tensor cores. If missing, the application will fail to initialize specialized DLSS or AI-driven graphics modes, often causing a DirectX device error or immediate crash to desktop when attempting to toggle advanced graphics settings. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Deep is a restricted library bundled with the Localized application logic engine, and the most reliable recovery method is to run the setup for the host program, giving the error to refresh the internal files. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Deep Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Avoid the trap of unofficial file repositories for Deep Library DLL, as these platforms are frequently utilized to distribute persistent browser hijackers and unwanted adware. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. If manual fixes haven't helped, the resource below offers general information about optimization software related to Deep Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Deep Library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.